Okay, so here we have the iPhone 5, which I'm selling on eBay. Just turning it on. So there's the back. Lightning port, 3.5 jack, power button. You've got the volume up and down, the mute button on there. Very nice one-handed phone. So slide to unlock. Just going to put my passcode in. And here we have the screen. So what I'm going to do is factory reset. So it'll be like having a brand new iPhone. So just show it's working and stuff. Double click that, the home button. Got that one there. Settings. So there are some light scratches on the surface. You only really see it if it's reflecting in a certain light, which can't quite get it to do again.